Airplane, a big flying vehicle that carries people in the sky. Helicopter, it flies using spinning blades on top. Jet, a super fast airplane that zooms in the sky. Fighter jet, a fast plane used by the army to protect the country. Cargo plane, a plane that carries heavy goods and packages. Passenger plane, a plane that takes people to different places. Private jet, a small plane used by a few people for travel. Glider, a plane that flies without an engine. Hot air balloon, a colorful balloon that floats in the air. Blimp, a big balloon that slowly moves in the sky. Drone, a small flying machine controlled by a remote. Military helicopter, a helicopter used by soldiers. Air ambulance, a flying ambulance that helps sick people quickly. Seaplane, a plane that can land on water. Stealth aircraft, a special plane that is hard to see on radar. Propeller plane, a plane that flies using spinning propellers. Supersonic jet, a jet that flies faster than the speed of sound. Space shuttle, a vehicle that travels into space. A powerful vehicle that blasts into space. Satellite. A machine that orbits Earth in space. Paraglider. A person flies using a soft wing in the sky. Hang glider. A lightweight glider flown by a person. Gyrocopter. A small flying machine with a spinning top. Ultralight aircraft. A very light and small airplane. Firefighting aircraft. A plane that drops water to stop fires. Surveillance aircraft. A plane used to watch and monitor from the sky. Rescue helicopter. It helps save people in danger.